Skin deep, uncovering the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, skin deep. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and where it originates from. Let's get started. Imagine the thin outer layer of something, especially our skin. It's just a tiny fraction of the whole body, right? When we say something is skin deep, we're emphasizing its superficiality. It means that it's only on the surface, not deep or substantial. The term skin deep is often used to describe qualities that are superficial or lacking depth. For example, 1. Beauty is only skin deep. This means that physical beauty is superficial, and it's a person's inner qualities that matter more. 2. His knowledge about the subject is only skin deep. This implies that the person has only a superficial or basic understanding of the topic. The concept that outer beauty is superficial has been a topic of discussion for centuries. The phrase, skin deep, can be traced back to several ancient writings, but it became popular in English from the 1600s. Over time, its use expanded beyond just beauty, emphasizing the surface-level nature of many things. So, there you have it. Skin deep is all about the surface, emphasizing that there's often more beneath what we can immediately see or perceive. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this phrase. Remember, English is filled with such intriguing expressions. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!